Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.2, Problem 20. This is Section 3.2, Problem 20. It says round 45.098214 to the nearest hundredth. So it's the same number as the previous problem, but we're rounding to a different digit. So first what we have to do is determine which position is the 100th position and then decide if we bump it up or down. So the nearest hundredth, if you start at the decimal, the next one to the right is tenths position. After that is hundredths position. So the one that's we're gonna round to is the 9, and the one that'll determine what we do is the next one to the right of that, it's 8. So, and the rule is, if the next one to the right is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, you just chop off all the digits that come after the rounding position, which is not the case here. If the digit to the right is 6, 7, 8, or 9, you bump up the digit that's the rounding position and then eliminate all the ones that come after it. Now, the thing is, we do have one that's big enough to bump it up, but 9's as big as it goes. So what we have to do is it's going to involve the next digit to the left. So it'll be 45 point, so if the 9 bumps up, it goes to a 0, and then the 0 is 0 plus 1 more. Rounded to the nearest hundredths is 45.10.